Peace and prosperity be unto all who's listening and watching. It's your girl Lachey Miller, right? And I'm back with another video. Hey guys, I want to say everything from when you're a child till this very moment, or whatever age you are at, right? Everything you've been through, everything you've gone through, everything that's happened to you has equipped you for your next level in life, your next phase, your next transition, your next blessing. Whatever you've been through, whatever you're going through, it's preparing you for where you're headed. So don't be down. Don't allow this to count you out. Don't be disappointed. Don't be upset. Just take it as a learning curve. Take it as a lesson. Take it as constructive criticism, right? Take it as God correcting you. Falling short doesn't mean you fail, that you failed. Yeah, you failed in the sense of you failed to learn the lesson. You didn't fail in life. You didn't learn the lesson. The true failure is not learning the lessons that you are here to learn. The true failure is continue to repeat the same cycle after another and not learning what God is teaching you. That's the true thing. When you are going through some things in life and you were constantly repeating the same things, you have to look in the mirror and look at yourself and really identify what is it in me that is causing me to go through all these things continually. Why am I going through these things? What is life teaching me about my experiences? What is life teaching me about my hardships? What is life teaching me about me? Because it's not about other people. No matter what they've done, no matter what they said, no matter how they said it, it's about you and what life is going to teach you and what you're going to teach other people by what you go through. So stop thinking about it as, why is this happening to me? Think about why you need to learn the lesson that you're learning right now. Not about, why is this happening to me? It's happening to you because you are meant to learn the lesson, but you haven't learned the lesson yet. And you won't get out of this school for this session until you learn this lesson. You can't go to your next class until you pass this test. So when you pass the test, you can move on to the next level. Elevate. Mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. Elevate. Be one sound mind. And confess the truth to yourself and know that being transparently real with you is greater than lying and deceiving yourself and others. Get to a point where you are honestly naked and bold with the truth with yourself.